Unlocking the meaning of variety. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are diving into a very interesting and useful word, variety. Whether you are just starting out with English or looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding how to use variety in different contexts can add depth to your communication. So, let's get started and explore the world of variety together. Variety is a noun, and it refers to the quality or state of having different forms or types. It highlights diversity in a range of different items or ideas. When we talk about variety, we are emphasizing the existence of multiple possibilities or options in a certain context. For example, eating a variety of fruits and vegetables can improve your health. The bookstore offers a variety of genres for readers to choose from. In these sentences, variety is used to express the abundance of different options available, be it in terms of food or books. Now that we understand what variety means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. 1. Describing options. You can use variety when you want to talk about having many different choices. 2. There is a variety of restaurants in our neighborhood. 3. Expressing diversity. Variety is perfect for situations where you want to highlight diversity. 4. Our team has a variety of skills, which makes us very effective. 5. Talking about change. Sometimes, variety is used when talking about breaking the monotony and trying something new. 6. I like to add a variety of exercises to my routine to keep things interesting. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary even further. Here are some synonyms for variety. Assortment, a collection of different things. Diversity, a range of different things. Multiplicity, a large number or variety of things. Range, the extent of the variation between different things. And that's a wrap on our exploration of variety. By understanding and using this word, you can enrich your English vocabulary and express yourself more vividly. I hope this video has been helpful, and that you now feel more confident in using variety in your everyday conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious about language. Happy learning, everyone!